Let's take a look at our first alert forecast. Check out this view. Isn't that gorgeous? The sun hitting the mountains today. A few puffy clouds, but that smoky haze from all the fires out west, it's gone for now anyway. And today we're going to heat up, aren't we?
Just a few puffy clouds.
Cute about Mitch saying puffy clouds.
A few puffy clouds.
There's a puffy.
It is. It's going to get pretty hot. Right now we're in the 60s, 70s. We should be in the 90s this afternoon. It'll be a warm one. Here's your wake-up forecast. Really mild this morning. We had a few showers over the northern front range. Those have cleared out. Now we're looking at highs getting into the low 90s this afternoon. Finally, though, some blue skies. It was still a little hazy on Saturday. Yesterday, things started to clear out a bit more. And today we're looking at, again, a smoke-free start to our day. It is going to get pretty hot and gusty, though, this afternoon. And we're tracking a cold front. That's why the winds are picking up today. The wind's ahead of that front that's going to roll through tomorrow on Tuesday. Pretty shot from City Park, and again, you can see the mountains finally this morning. We've got a few lingering clouds early on, so a mix of sun and clouds, and the winds are fairly calm right now. At about 4 o'clock this morning, we had wind gusts near Broomfield in the airport at over 60 miles per hour. They've died down for the time being. Now, Berthoud Pass can typically be a pretty windy spot, and we've got a gust there recently at 60 miles per hour. Winds will pick up again today. I'll show you that coming up. Right now on satellite and radar, most everything's starting to clear out. Just some lingering clouds up to the north, and the roads might be still a little damp up there along I-25. 60s now will be right around 80 degrees by 10 o'clock. Aurora, you'll be at about 77, some upper 70s near Greeley and Fort Collins, too. Now, by 2 o'clock, we're going to see winds coming in out of the west, southwest. You'll see those wind vectors there. Pretty fast at around 20 to 40 miles per hour. We've also got wind gusts likely upwards of about 60 up and through the foothills and areas just west of I-25. They'll be a little bit windier. So highs right around 90 to about 92, and it stays pretty warm through about 6 o'clock. Then we'll see those numbers start to drop. Now, speaking of 6, that's when the fire weather warning is set to expire, but it goes into effect later this morning, and it covers all of northeastern Colorado. So we've got high fire danger today. Be careful. Winds will again pick up, and that's a big problem. Starting this back up at about 6 o'clock. Overnight tonight, those winds coming in out of the west, they're going to shift. That signifies the cold front rolling in. It's going to come in from the north, usher in some much cooler air early tomorrow morning. We'll likely be in the 50s early Tuesday, and our highs tomorrow afternoon about 10 to 15 degrees cooler. We'll see some mid to upper 70s by tomorrow afternoon, and we'll start off on Tuesday with some dry conditions, but we could get a few showers, it looks like, by tomorrow afternoon, so the roads could be a little wet for the Tuesday evening drive. Wednesday, it all clears out. We warm right back up. We're at about 85, so a good 10 degrees warmer, and then back to near 90 both Thursday and Friday. This is a pretty nice 7-day forecast, but this time of year when we get a cold front rolling through, it really is a cold front, Jace. It brings in some much cooler air, so a good drop tomorrow morning. And the